Hello and welcome to Programming the Lazy Way, a sequence of short videos for beginning programmers. I'm Will Briggs, creator of the intro text C++ for Lazy Programmers. That's one way I help beginning programmers. I'm also in other places where I assist people with their code. Today I want to talk about how to make it easy to help your helpers help you. This is not it. You don't learn by having other people do your coding. If you have an instructor, definitely ask for help there first. If not, still, do everything you can. Tell your helpers where you got stuck. So here, I've actually written some code, but this isn't really going to work out well either. Even if the print is big enough to read, your helper can best help you by compiling what you've done, and you can't compile a picture. Now, this is also not it, although it's a lot closer. I'm going to post this, and what do I find? I find that Facebook has stripped out all my indenting. I think we can expect this on social media platforms because they're not really for sharing code, as well as on some mail programs. Now, your helper could copy all of this, paste it into an editor, fix the indenting, all before compiling it and giving you the kind of help that you actually wanted. But if you're not paying, how likely is that? Fortunately, there's a fix. A fiddle. I don't know where the term came from originally, but a fiddle is a program put on a web page that you can run directly from that page. One fiddle site is Replit. It's linked below. You don't have to have an account, although it wouldn't hurt. You create a fiddle for your language. I'm going to paste my code in here and hit run. Okay, there's a problem. So here's the cool part. When you hit run, it generates a new URL just for your code. You can take that and paste it into your social media account and ask people to have a look. So I'll do that. I'll say, I've got a problem on line 17 I don't understand, and see what that problem is. Copy and paste, and ask people to have a look. When they do, when they go to this URL, they'll find your readable, indented code and can find the problem just by hitting run. And then they can say, oh, okay, so here's your problem, I understand. Hit run. Now it seems to be working. And then they can say in the social media account, go back to the fiddle, the new version, and have a look. So, it's no more work for you and way less for them. People love it and love you when you can help them be lazy. Fiddles exist for lots of languages, and they're especially useful when debugging HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. For that, I use jsfiddle.net. It's the first one I've come across, and it's the standard. So the next time you post something that's stumping you, use a fiddle and see just how easy it is. Please post your comments and likes below, subscribe for more tips, and stay lazy.